Well, guys, we survived night 1. Grizzly bear, dude. Yeah. That'd be so sick. Dude, we'd party with it, take fucking bong rips with it. It'd be so sick, right?
I don't think I like that, dude.
Why not? Then we see an alien, and then we see fucking man bear pig.
Yeah.
And we're fishing now.
Yeah, we're fishing. We're not catching, but we're fishing.
We're fishing.
We just started.
I mean, the water levels are so low here. Our algae has come up so much. 2-3 years ago, Chris, where you're sitting, you'd have been 8-9 feet of water, easy.
Dang. Is it global warming?
Oh, it's all that in shitty desert California. If you look back here, if you see the rocks up along the shoreline, that's where the water came up to.
Oh yeah.
I mean, all of this was all covered.
It's drier than a popcorn fart.
I don't even know what a popcorn fart is.
I never heard of that one, Chris.
I don't know, but it's 7:44 in the morning. I think I'm still high from last night.
There you go. Possible. I was wondering if Brad was going to still be drunk. Keep it reeling. Because once you start bringing it up, you're bringing it through all the algae. It's 9.
Yeah.
Try another 10-15 minutes.
Another 30 minutes. Let Chris cast that one more time. Because Chris is a great caster. Well, what's the line? Yeah. Fucking A, Chris.
Yeah, man.
You should have been fishing your whole life, man. There you go.
No luck today, boys.
No, woke up too late.
Woke up too late. Dude, you're just like spread eagle right now, dude. You're just chilling.
It was like, Chris, come hither.
Is that how you're trying to draw in the fucking fish, Jeff?
Yeah, I did. Trout. I'm trying to do whatever I got.
That's Jeff. My name's Jeff. My name's Jeff. Any luck, Brad?
No.
Brad's gonna hook himself in the ass and cast himself in the fucking lake.
A lot more fancy than just jumping in, you know?
I ain't catching shit, but I'm a casting pro, dude. So,
water.
Beautiful. Whoa, that was a hell of a long cast. Ooh, can we shoot those guys in the jet skis? Or the Sea-Doos?
Yeah, it's like a ruining our fishing spot.
City Slickers fisherman. That was great, dude.
Oh.
Oh, shit,
Oh.
come back. Oh, shit.
Got him.
You gotta make that fish believe it.
It's the wrist, dude. I do a lot of wrist action.
Yeah, we can tell.
Not that type of wrist action. Talk about my pro gaming skills, dude.
Yeah, alright. That's more finger action, you know?
Yeah, but there's wrist involved. Wrist connects to the fingers.
I'm not good with the wrist. Because I'm almost like this.
Dang, dude. Demonetized. Hey, Garrett.
Yo.
So why are we fishing next to the shitter?
Because we all shit too much. No, so with the water levels being so low, there's a lot more algae on the shoreline.
Uh-huh.
The fish are running in and out of that algae and above the algae, but the outhouse also gives another coverage point for the fish from the sun because they hate the sun. So there's more shade spots and we can put our lines out by the outhouse without getting tangled up in all the algae and just still get a chance of a bite. Now, ain't got a bite yet, but that was the theory. You know, when you're in the center of the lake, when the sun comes out and starts getting hot like this, they dive down. They get to the colder water. Yep. Well, if they're on the shore, if they're up on the shore, they don't have to dive deep to just get underneath the floating outhouse.
Some grub.
You can't make some breakfast. Been out here a couple hours.
Yep. Sure is nice though. Nice breeze.
The breeze is saving me.
Look at that French toast.
Is it? What do you
Yeah.
want me to say? I'm ready to eat. Is it good?
I'm about to try it right now.
Garrett went ham.
Oh, I'm gonna put my red one on. Yours is sitting right over there, Jeff.
Okay. I think I'm gonna do a little jelly on mine.
That's why I got the peanut butter and the jelly.
A little jelly on mine.
So what's the plan here?
To eat.
To eat.
And then
Don't bother me. I'm eating.
Eat.
I need to eat
Maybe
first, dude. I don't know.
take a dump.
Discovery Center.
Discovery Center, perfect.
Let's go show you some of the critters that are around here.
There you go.
I think they even have. They show you what the tracks look like. A
Right.
whole bunch of different animals and birds and stuff.
Good shit. We're just napping now, boys.
Huh?
We're just napping, dude.
This sucks. Noon, the sun goes away for our tents.
That's when we'll go to Discovery.
You gonna go look at some animals or like dead animals?
Dead, stuffed animals.
Cool.
Hey, but we have to go to the zoo this weekend. They got a three-legged bear named Blue.
What?
Yeah. He was a young cub when he got caught in a bear trap, and they rescued him and saved him and amputated him, and he now is a successful three-legged bear.
What is that?
That's a grizzly bear.
That's a grizzly skull, dude. Cow.
Horse.
Horse.
But look at the difference between grizzly and black bear.
Oh yeah, ridiculous, man.
Look at the size of that paw. It's huge, dude.
Mountain lion. Dude, beavers are just disgusting. Bald eagle skulls.
If Chris was a tree, it'd be you, Chris.
What?
If Chris was a tree,
Dude, I am taller than you are, bro.
I'm the pine.
Jeffrey Pine.
Jeffrey Pine.
Sardine tin, huh?
Yeah. Dude, look at these old beer cans.
Beer can? Yeah, it's all this is just basically everything that what people left in the lake. Dude.
Well, that gator dead.
The big bear. $16.20, huh? Pilgrims landed in Plymouth Rock.
So you start at the plinth,
Right?
and then the ring it's the annual year ring,
Right.
and so from the plinth you count out.
Damn.
This is a Pinus Jeffrey, the old Jeffrey pine, also known as the Western Yellow Pine.
1945 Smokey Bear symbol created.
Did Vietnam? Oh, Martin King assassination.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Alright, that's Alaskan crocodile. That's definitely flamingo. Oh, that's definitely man bear pig. Damn.
Oh, damn. They make a 8 point.
This cheese bread?
They make an 8.5% red ale.
Oh, good. Strong. Pretty sweet little pizza
Saucy
place.
mamas.
Saucy, is that what
Saucy
it's called?
mamas.
Saucy mamas?
See, look at the back of her shirt. It says, "I'm a sausage mama."
How you guys doing after pizza?
Good. Full.
Gut bomb, dude.
Gut bomb? We're in a food coma now, dude.
No, my food's sitting in the bottom of that porta potty over there.
Dirty, man. Look like storm clouds over there, though. Yeah.
You're alright there, bro.
Yeah. I need
Just
some
re-
beer.
Just remember, if you start choking, I am CPR certified.
I'm good, bro.
It's in your best interest to keep drinking.
I'm good. I just need some Bud Light.
And then we're done. That's it. Ta-da.
Guess what, dude?
What's up?
I already knew that because I'm a freaking pro fisherman.
Did you go pro?
Alaska.
Bro?
Yeah, I'm still hunting that fucking Alaskan gator, dude. And we're off, and we're going on a hunt. List of crocodile, Alaska.
I told you, I caught a couple
Holy
of
shit,
those,
I
man.
just
Bullshit.
They don't put up a hard fight.
You never catch an Alaskan crocodile. I'm freaking Alaskan crocodile, freaking pro, dude. Pro hunter. Speaking of pro hunter, check out
I
my
almost
pro hunter
pulled up my toe.
t-shirt. Available at tootsmoneygear.com. Code City1, 15% off because if you're a freaking pro hunter, call the Dipper bitches. We're gonna catch fucking Sam Squatch. Right, Jeff?
Yeah, we could always go to McDonald's, get a fish fillet.
Oh, what?
Really?
What?
Did we just go there right now?